Hello and welcome viewers. In today's videos we will see the official specifications of Vivo's smartphone Vivo iQOO 005 Pro 5G. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE and 5G. The phone has memory space of 256GB with 8GB of RAM, and another version have 256GB with 12GB of RAM. The phone is coming in two colors, and the two colors are black and white. The USB has Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has AMOLED capacitive touchscreen 16 million colors. Display size is 5.56 inches and 89.4% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.28 into 2.89 into 0.35 inches and weight 198 gram. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865, and the CPU is getting Octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz Cairo 585 and 3 into 2.42 GHz Cairo 585 and 4 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 585. You can get the sensor in the phone or fingerprint. Under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and battery is lithium polymer 4000 mAh non-removable with capacity of fast charging 120 watt. As an always, the phone has dual SIM dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5mm jack. You get the main camera triple, 50 megapixel flash 1.9 wide, 8 megapixel flash 3.4, 13 megapixel flash 2.2, 120 degree 16 mm ultra wide, video type facility at a maximum of 8K and 4K 30 frames per second, and get the selfie camera single 16 megapixel f2.5 wide. So friends, this was the official specification of today's Vivo's iQOO 005 Pro 5G model. Those who like to use medium range of smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Vivo can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.